Bite size.
If you've been around woodworking for a while, you've probably seen one of these guys. This is called a glue-bot. I got one of these a few years ago because I got sick and tired of trying to get the last little bit of glue out of the glue bottle. Please don't get me wrong, these are great little tools. You simply squeeze the sides and glue comes out the top. At the time that I found this, I couldn't believe it had taken so long for someone to create this design. Now that I'm graduating to my fourth one, I'm having trouble breaking a new package to start again. While at one time, I admit it solved the problem of getting glue to my project in short order, soon I found other pitfalls that I can't ignore. For example, trying to get the lid off the top to add more glue usually results in my needing a pair of pipe vice grips. The rubber seal inside also has to fit perfectly flat on top. If there's any gap, the squeeze pressure you put on will either squeeze glue out of the top, or you'll hear hissing as air is released. This canal, yeah, it'll eventually become clogged and hard with dried glue, and it'll happen sooner if you lose the cap, which isn't held on very securely. I think the most annoying thing I don't like about the glue-bot is that it creates the same problem I left the original glue bottle for. If there's not enough glue in this, a big puddle of glue will sit at the bottom and you'll be forced to try to maneuver what's left through the maze of hardened glue. I do love using the glue-bot, but I'm ready to go back to the humble glue bottle I left so long ago. It's simple, it's easy to clean if there are any clogs, and I've never had to use vice grips on the top. Unlike the glue-bot, the lid is very difficult to lose as it is a part of the bottle. But let's go back to my original complaint, and that is that it takes a long time to get the glue to the tip when the bottle is close to being empty. We'll add this simple block.
That's the E4?
I'm glad you asked. With this simple block, I can hang my glue upside down and the glue is always waiting for me when I need it. Simple. No, it's not complicated like this design, but any engineer will tell you to kiss. Keep it simple, stupid. The only flaw that I found with this block is that I tip it over anytime I bump my bench. To fix this annoyance and to keep the bottle upside down like I want it, I designed this little glue box that can be made from a 4x4. Now my glue fits in here, my epoxy, which I always seem to lose as it too is top heavy, a glue stick, and a glue brush. I even have a place to put super glue or thread lock. If you're interested in my design, I have a free PDF you can download from my website, which will be in the description below. Along with the PDF, you'll find step-by-step instructions on my website with video showing how to make this. This one that I'm holding was made with my bandsaw. I also have another method showing how to make this, and you shouldn't need anything more than a drill, Forstner bits, and a chisel. And by the way, I have an extra one of these. I'll be awarding it to my Patreon, so keep an eye out for any messages to see if you won. I do have a full video on my other channel, Let's Make Things, showing how I made it. That video will be at the end of this video and in the description down below. And remember to keep making things.